going up over the mountain here to where the fire is in Jacumba. You can see how it's getting kind of cloudy out there. That's smoke. So these are all our windmills over here. So one more mountain ridge to get up over here. So you can see all the smoke up ahead up there. Not too windy out today. They shut these windmills down there with a 50-mile-an-hour wind, so looks like they're all working right now. So that's a good sign. So anyway, it's not going to be on my property. The Jacumba's on the right side of the freeway, and the fire is on the left side, evidently. So let's see what it looks like here. Got a few minutes here. Okay, we're going over the mountain. There you can see the fire burning over there a little bit. Well, that's where they dropped all the retardant. Looks like it's burning. Wind's blowing over there a little bit. The fire is definitely over there. Watch the driving. Come on. It's hard to videotape and drive at the same time. Winds aren't too bad today. All the orange on that mountain is probably fire retardant. My property's over on that side over there. So, coming down off the big mountain range here. So, there you go. All those illegals you see over there on that big brown mountain on the right. That's where all these illegals come in at. Yeah, too many mountains right here. Traffic jam ahead. So that big round mountain over there, that's a volcano. That's where the illegals come across the Jacumba border. My property down over there. Fire's over there. So when we get closer, I'll come back and look at it again. Okay, we're coming down the valley here. We're actually between the mountains. They cut the mountain way to put the road in. So you can see all the fire retardant dropped up on top of that ridge. That must be the fire line. Get back over here to my lane. Trucks drive slow downhill. So, no fire yet, but you can see all the retardant they dropped. So, anyways, it is what it is. There's a chopper right over there going in for a dump. I can't watch him and drive at the same time, so hopefully the camera shoot at him. I'm busy driving. Over there, chopper. See another plane way up high up there. Probably a spotter plane. Go around this ridge here, we should see some more fire lines. It's supposed to burn right up to the freeway, so that's probably up ahead here. So, we'll see. Slower traffic here. They slow down for the corners, I guess. There must be burning down there. Yeah, that mountain's burnt. Yep, that mountain is burnt. And there's a fire up ahead. There's not a lot of burn out here. It's a bunch of rock, bunch of granite. Oh, it all burnt too here. See if it's all burnt. So, yeah. Slow down a little bit up ahead here. I got traffic in front of me. Yeah, it didn't burn on the right side of the freeway over here, but it burned on the left. So, yep. Good fire block to the freeway. There you go. You can see what's going on driving. So, not watching the camera. Can't drive and videotape too good at the same time. So, see, it burned through these mountains here, but see, it's all rock. Oh, the chopper up there, I guess he's dumping it. Not looking at it. Hopefully you're catching something. I'm not watching it. Oh, make sure I don't drive off the side of the road over here. So you can see all the retardant ones they dropped. Somewhere over there is flying through. Yeah. The road's kind of blocked ahead. Alright, I think we're coming out of the fire zone. There's another volcano right there. That's the biggest one, the oldest one in the area. There's 3 of them right here in this one area. That's why Jacumba Hot Springs has hot springs. Volcanoes are nearby. There, so you can see me behind me going that way. The fire is burning toward the desert here, so got another mountain ridge to go over and get down the desert. The desert's about 10 miles up ahead of us here. So. Oh, what's up with this guy here? What did he pull up from me for? I wasn't doing anything wrong. See how we got a lot of rock around here. There's a chopper over there. I don't know where the hell they're getting water from. There ain't no water in this area. Gotta fly 40 miles back to town to get water, I'm guessing. Or go down to Salton Sea. It's a little ways away. So this is all not burnt area out here. You can see the city behind me because I can't see behind me. There's a chopper right there. Yeah. Let me zoom in on him. I cannot see if I'm pointing at him or not. Can't drive and watch the camera view screen. That's Mexico right over there, that border fence. And my exit's coming up here into Jacumba. If I miss this one, I'm going down in the valley, so I don't particularly want to do that. That's not the border road. The border road's over there ahead of us. So anyway, it's not burning here at least, so I think I'm going to be safe. Well, there's our Jacumba exit, so signing off. So you want to see how close we are to the border? Yeah, there's the border right there. There's our Western Power Link right here going through our property. That comes from Arizona. Probably from Boulder, Nevada. Anyway, we got that's our border fence. A big power link up overhead there. Power link. Anyway, there's your border. They don't cross here. They cross up there where it goes in the mountain, where there's no fence up. For some reason, Biden decided that we needed 50-foot gaps in our fence. Plus, right up next to the mountain, they don't put fence for the last 6 feet, so there's plenty of room to walk through if you want to. So, anyway, that's what you see from my property that you're looking at right here. You see in my videos all the time. So there's the fence right there. So, anyway, it runs along the border for a while, a few hundred miles. We're going to be coming into Jacumba here another mile or so. Oh, they got a firefighting rig right there. Oh, they're filling with trucks, it looks like. Or that's a fuel truck. That's probably a fuel truck over there. There's another one right there landed. Yeah, that's why they're coming this way. Those are fuel trucks, not water trucks. Ain't no water out here except in the ground. There ain't much of that. That's where they were filling them up. Helicopters require lots of fuel. A little bit of smoke over there on the other side of the freeway. So we're on the other side of that mountain now. So I'm not worried about it coming over here because it's going to have to burn through a lot of open area to get to here. Most of this grass through here, it's too damn hot and dry to have a lot of brush and stuff, or trees and crap like that. So pretty much just open junk. Alright, we're back.